Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AutoSky Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2023 Pro Slim Edition. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. New 2023 model, Pro Slim takes compactness to a new level, being even more compact than the preceding Pro model with cutting-edge design and technology. AutoSky Wireless CarPlay Adapter for iPhone has a carbon fiber finish with a protective coat to protect it from scratches of daily use. Great for carbon fiber dashboards. Functionality: just like our other model, this CarPlay dongle works like magic. Equipped with 2.4 and 5 GHz module for the fastest and best connection and experience possible. The CarPlay adapter also comes with USB-A to USB-A cable extension for tight fit areas and a USB-A to USB-C cable for cars with car stereos who have USB-C ports. Easy connection: the AutoSky Pro Slim Edition wireless CarPlay adapter connects quickly and automatically after pairing. All you have to do is pair it using Bluetooth and make sure you have your Wi-Fi settings turned on. Compatibility: with over 600 vehicle models compatible with the wireless CarPlay adapter, Pro Edition, please take a look at our compatibility list on our images to see if your car model and year are listed. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.